2020年，让我们有更多的时间去审视时间本身。何不来一场与腕表的精彩邂逅？卡地亚以寻遇非凡、制表新意为主题，带来兼具美学创意和卓越技艺的腕表新作。卡地亚形象、风格及传承总监 Pierre Rainero 是汉唐文化的老朋友，我们特别以线上访谈的形式和他聊了聊新品背后的故事。
We present different designs, very strong designs, but also what unites all of them. It's very consistent in the way Cartier works in terms of creation and design. The Pasha we launched in '85 was based already on an original design created in the beginning of the 1940s. And the versions we do present this time are also a variation on the basis of the ones presented in '85. There's a redesign in terms of proportions, there's a redesign in terms of the way we balance the presence of a square and round shapes at the same time, which are the essence, I think, of the original design of a Pasha. So what this new generation of Pasha watches offers is, I think, the idea of consistency and newness at the same time. The collection of Santos we present this year is the Santos-Dumont collection. And this time they come with mechanical movement and in limited series. And it's very interesting for us to insist on this pioneering spirit of Mr. Santos-Dumont, exploring every single way he could explore to achieve his objective, that was to fly. These very sophisticated versions in this range pay tribute to the original spirit of both Mr. Santos-Dumont and Mr. Louis Cartier when this watch was created for him, as a symbol also of the new convenience that the wristwatch, that was totally new at the time, could offer to men and women to live in a very contemporary way. I think that the creations we present this year are part of our history, definitely, because they are totally inscribed in the history of our design, but also they bear the essence of today, and they will, let's say, testify about the way of life of the people of today in the future. So that double identity they carry is a subject of interest of the future generation and for future collectors.
汉唐文化长期深耕于精品和钟表行业。作为瑞士高级制表基金会的官方合作媒体，我们还将带来钟表界更多新品资讯。